lower it down nice and slow by taking the handle, bring it to the last ratchet, pulling down just a little bit, holding back the back lever, and letting forward the big lever. Grabbing the handle, coming down, grabbing this, holding this, bring it back, let it go, come back to one, pull it down, hold this, not holding the inner button, let it go. And as you can see, we're lowering it nice and slow into place. No issues. I'm gonna take my jacket off because I'm sweating. But we're almost there. I hooked the engine on to the ratchet straps for the center holes right in the middle of the engine below the carburetor, or below the mount for the fuel injection unit here. So we're just gonna check everything here. Looks like we're coming down okay. Coming down to here, pull down, hold back button. Okay, it looks like I'm getting pretty close to the end here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some line to this side, and I'm just gonna tighten this up a little bit so that I don't lose the engine and it has something holding on to it here. Because this next wrap here is gonna basically release that cable on me. So looks like I got a few inches to go. So I'm gonna rewrap this, putting on, I don't know, probably a quarter spool there. And I'm gonna lift it up again, get this one down. Do this, get this one out of my way. It's just acting up on me here. So I'm just gonna leave it to where it can spool some line. There we go. Okay. Now back to this. Pull it down to the last latch. Button. Yeah, we're doing okay. Almost done with those. Touching on the exhaust here a little bit. Another exhaust bolt there. I think now is a good time to put our engine mounts in the back here. Here, so let's get those in. And here's your left and right. And I need two for each. They don't call these motor mounts. Something else. Whatever they're called, they're about $12 a piece. Alright, so we're going to slide these into back here so that we don't have to deal with it. I'll take your other longer one there, this one. There, I'm going to take the two short ones. On this side. There, okay. Those are in. It's going to fit down in the slot down here, Keaton.
Good.
You see them? You see the slots that it's going to fit in down there?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to come down with the engine some more. going on in the front here, Jay? Nothing. Sit up on the plate there. See the front plate it's got to sit on there. Raise it up a little bit. What's it hitting there? It's like a linkage or something here. This okay.
Looks like your shifter's moving a bit.
That's what I was part for there. Let's bind in here. So I need the engine to kind of go in like that.
You want me to hold it in place while you ratchet?
Yeah, if you can hold this
Oh,
over
yeah.
here, come down in this corner.